How to hide likes on Facebook. So if you want to hide likes on Facebook, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and after opening, make sure to log into your account, and after logging in, go to the upper right corner which has a 3-bar icon, and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then again tap on settings. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the upper right corner you will have a search icon. Tap on that, and then on the search bar search for reaction preferences and tap on reaction preferences. And then here you will have two options. First is on post from others. So if you want to hide number of reactions on post from others, then you can turn this on. But if you want to hide the number of likes or the number of reactions on your post, then tap on the next one, turn that on, and that's it. That's how you hide your likes on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.